shatter. The glass vase shattered when it hit the floor. The mirror shatters when the ball hits it. Clutch. She clutched her phone tightly during the movie. The mother clutched her baby in the crowd. Ignite. He ignited the campfire with a match. She ignited the stove to start cooking dinner. Plunge. The horse plunged forward, racing through the field. He plunged into the cold water without hesitation. Bolt. All the doors were locked and bolted. He bolted the door shut before leaving. Nudge. She nudged her friend to get his attention. She nudged her brother to keep him quiet. Tilt. She tilted her head, trying to hear better. She tilted the kettle to pour tea. Pluck. She plucked an apple from the tree. The farmer plucked mangoes early in the morning. Knead. She kneaded the dough until it felt smooth. The baker kneaded the mixture to perfection daily. Peck. The bird pecked its seeds on the ground. The hen pecked the grain scattered by hand. Sprinkle. She sprinkled sugar on the top of the cake. She sprinkled water on the plants every morning. Glisten. The water glistened in the sunlight. The diamond glistened brightly in the sunlight. Stack. She stacked the books neatly on the shelf. He stacked the boxes in the storage room. Creep. He crept silently into the room at night. She crept behind the door to surprise his friend. Dash. She dashed across the street to catch the bus. He dashed into the store to grab snacks quickly. Fumble. He fumbled the ball, missing the easy catch. He fumbled his phone and dropped it accidentally. Grin. He grinned widely after hearing the good news. She grinned, enjoying the moment with her friends. Lace. She laced her dress tightly before the event. He quickly laced the shoes for the match. Soak. He soaked his tired feet in warm water. She soaked the beans overnight before cooking them. Gush. Water gushed from the broken pipe after bursting. The river gushed after the heavy rainfall overnight.